So I know you're probably wondering, why should I take YouTube advice from you? You have like 50 subscribers. I get it. Hear me out. The advice that I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to be applying to my own channel and to myself because I've kind of neglected this channel and I'm trying not to do that. I'm off to Vidcon today and I thought that it would be a really good idea to talk about why you need to use YouTube for your business and to build your company, your personal brand, why you need to use YouTube in 2019 and how to use it in 2019. Apparently, not going to Vidcon today. I'm going tomorrow, which means that I can get like work done or whatever today, which is great for me. I just don't want to be in traffic tomorrow, but it is what it is. I'm saving a little bit of money. What was I talking about? How to use YouTube to grow your business, to grow your online persona, whatever you want to call it. Before we even talk about how to grow on YouTube, you need to realize that there are two different types of content that you see online. You see the artsy fartsy stuff. Who are you? And you see the educational stuff. The artists are the people you follow, the people that you're subscribed to because you like their art, you find it entertaining. So this could be photographers, videographers, models, YouTube personalities. You follow them and you're subscribed to them solely because you find their content entertaining. There's not really an educational aspect to it. It's mainly just entertainment for you. Even though I'm going to Vidcon tomorrow, I'm not going today. I am heading out to Irvine anyway to hang with my friend Connie, because Connie's cool. Not everybody can be an entertainer. Trust me, you will not find me on stage doing stand-up comedy. I have really bad stage fright, performance anxiety, whatever you want to call it. So for those of us who are not entertainers, education is the route that you should go. Shout out to Connie for letting me stay at her place for one day so that I didn't have to make that treacherous drive in traffic from where I live all the way to Vidcon because I don't live that close. Getting some food, then I'm gonna go and pick up the homie Elliot at the bus station. Today's going to be very interesting and I feel like there's going to be a lot of people and I feel like I'm going to feel very claustrophobic. Might have a panic attack, who knows? Oh god, that's so bad. So I'm in some random park right now because I'm waiting for Elliot and I didn't feel like eating at the coffee shop because there's literally no one there. If you want to start a YouTube channel for your business, for your personal brand, whatever, you have to remember that YouTube is owned by Google, and so basically your approach to YouTube should be the same way that you would approach searching things on Google. So when you're starting a YouTube video or starting a YouTube channel, you have to remember the 4 T's: topic, title, thumbnail, and tags. Topic. This is the theme of your video. Nobody likes watching videos that have no message. Nobody likes consuming anything or participating in anything if there's no meaning behind it. That's why you need to know your why before you start. Watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. Your topic has to be something that's searchable, something that people are actually looking for. It can't just be completely random. Everybody just wants easily consumable and educational content now. So for those of us who can't be entertainers, the next best thing and probably the easiest way for people to find you and for you to grow your business is to establish yourself as an expert by creating educational content for your ideal audience. And why is it important to establish yourself as an expert? It's going to position yourself with your clients as someone who knows what they're talking about. After you figured out your topic, after you figured out what you're going to be talking about, the next thing that you should focus on is the title. The title is the first thing that people will read, so you want to make sure that it grabs their attention, and also in terms of Google searches and just search engine optimization in general, you want to make sure that the title is something that people are actually looking for. All of these vague titles like I can't believe he did this or something parentheses emotional, you have to realize that a lot of the channels that use titles like that are entertainment channels. If you're going down the educational route, which I feel like a majority of businesses should start by going down the educational route because it establishes you as an expert. If you go down that route, have a title that matches that vibe, that style. So if it's something that's a little bit more educational, have an educational title, something that's really straight to the point, like how-tos, DIYs, tutorials, stuff like that. So make sure that the title matches the type of video, because if it doesn't match, it's gonna get lost in the search engine, and you know, it's gonna get knocked down in the Google searches. So alright you guys, we're out here, VidCon. I'm vlogging, met some new friends. I'm here with Elliot.
Hello.
Josie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Josie.
We're gonna be
and I'm gonna walk into people.
And yeah, we're out here gonna try to find Audrey and pretend to be super big fangirls. We are big fangirls.
No, but so far it's just like, I know you, but like maybe I know you.
Community has been the main focus when building my channel, when creating my content and all the other social platforms that I use to communicate with people who watch me.
Hanging out with friends who get it, who like also make stuff, I think is really great.
I'm dying, I'm dead. Pass. The hell? Death by bird.
I'm Josie. I'm from Sweden, but I live here in LA now.
Hallelujah, I'm a freak, hallelujah. Every day of the week I'ma do ya like I want to. I'm a night crocodile, a piranha.
My mission as a creator is helping others feel less alone. It's articulating emotions that people have but can't explain. It's connecting people and giving them joy and hope in the midst of loss and suffering.
It's day 3 of VidCon. It's been kind of hard to like film just because, you know, I'm hanging out with friends, I'm meeting people, it's hard to film this video. After you figure out your topic that's searchable, that people are actually going to look for, after you have a title, a headline that matches that, the next thing is thumbnail. That's the third T. I'm actually going to be going to a workshop, hopefully. I missed the workshop, I missed the panel, but basically, obviously, I missed it, so I don't know what they were gonna talk about. But if you're making thumbnails for your YouTube videos, you want to have something that's captivating, and it's a great way for you to build your brand identity. So if you wanna associate certain colors with your brand, if you want to associate certain typefaces or certain fonts, you can include all of that in the thumbnail, but you want to make sure that the thumbnail is related at least a little bit to the video and that it stands out. So
you need to communicate very quickly and very effectively what's your niche and what's your target audience based on your thumbnail. So it's not about getting as many people as possible to click on it, it's about getting the right people that you need in your niche audience to click on those.
It's been a couple days. Came back home, I needed to like recharge because VidCon was such a crazy experience. We went to this VIP creator party or decompression creator party or whatever. I talked to Jack's Films, Tay Zonday, like all of these other YouTubers. It was an experience I will never forget. But I still didn't give you guys the 4th point. So we talked about topic, title, thumbnail, and the very last point. The very last thing that you need to focus on when you're starting YouTube are tags, the keywords. I'm first starting out and I went through my past videos and kind of like reordered the tags or whatever. I recommend downloading TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a great platform. It'll help you decide specifically what tags to use. Tags is like the main thing. That's where I usually have the most trouble because I never know what to put, what kind of tags to put. So hope you guys like this video. Hope this helps a lot. I'm gonna be applying a lot of these tips myself. All you gotta do is remember the 4 T's, the topic, the title, the thumbnail, and the tags. Gonna be trying to release more often. Going to VidCon and stuff, it was such a great experience meeting everybody. I feel like that was like the kick in the ass that I needed to kind of commit more to this YouTube channel and just to my own personal story in social media, on my YouTube, on my Instagram. 2 very different worlds. My YouTube is more, you know, I'm posting a lot of these like videos about business and marketing and blah 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 and branding, but my Instagram is more along the lines of like Photoshop edits. So if you like Photoshop edits, you could go follow me there. Yeah. So see you guys next time. Bye.